10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
We are on our way to space for IQPS again with a nice clean launch from the pad from Launch Complex 1. And Max Q is the first milestone that we'll come across, which is that point in flight where Electron faces the toughest atmospheric forces. To accommodate, the Rutherford engines will throttle down just a touch before they're brought back up to full power to continue the mission. Let's listen in.
Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
And like clockwork, there is the call that Electron has successfully passed through max Q. And those Rutherford engines are burning bright and beautiful on your screen as Electron makes its way more than 21 kilometers above Earth at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour.
15 seconds to staging.
Anti-rate burnout detect mode.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Stage 2 guidance nominal.
That is MECO complete and a nice clean stage separation, and the second stage's Rutherford engine is accelerating nicely now to take us almost past, there it is, 100 kilometers above Earth. And in the meantime, the fairing's important job of protecting the QPS-SAR-15 satellite through the initial launch phase is almost complete. So once we reach around 135 kilometers in altitude, the spacecraft can be exposed to space in preparation for deployment, so those two halves of Electron's fairing will separate and fall away.
Fairing descent confirmed.
That's what we like to hear and see. Fairing separation is confirmed. And now at T plus 3 minutes 45 seconds into flight for the Wisdom God guides as Electron passes more than 8,000 kilometers an hour in speed. Now, the reason Electron performs its unique battery hot swap maneuver comes down to the Rutherford engine. They don't have a traditional gas turbine. Instead, their fuel pumps are powered by brushless DC electric motors, and powering those pumps are batteries. The engineers in our team realised there's no need to carry the mass of depleted batteries all the way to orbit when we can use that mass for payload instead. So they came up with a way of getting rid of those empty batteries and swapping them out mid-flight for a new set. And that process is coming up next.
HVB discharge nominal, approaching hot swap in roughly 30 seconds.
Battery descent confirmed.
Hot swap successful.
There we go. That is a successful hot swap, and Electron's second stage continues on to orbit with a fresh set of batteries to power Rutherford's fuel pumps. Electron is now traveling at more than 16,000 kilometers per hour, just about to hit 250 kilometers above Earth, with engine burn scheduled to end at around T plus 9 minutes and 9 seconds into flight. So before long, it will be time for SECO, or second engine cutoff, which is the moment in flight where the Rutherford shuts down in preparation for kickstage separation. Now, the mission is proceeding nominally, so let's just enjoy these views of Rutherford powering us all the way to orbit.
Guidance terminal, 20 seconds remaining.
SECO confirmed.